So we had to find this this little balancing act. We also were able to get some river rock delivered last minute. That allowed us to kind of get structural integrity around those aqua blocks. Now, if you have, who here has worked with aqua blocks before? Hopefully all of you. Aqua blocks work under compression. So you have to backfill them properly. When you backfill them properly, they get stronger and stronger and stronger. So by backfilling them with river rock around it, puts pressure on them, gives us the integrity that we're looking for. It also helps out hold up all that soil, that saturated soil around the outside perimeter, which is key. The other nice thing about putting in river rock around the outside perimeter gives us a little bit of extra filtration. As the water flows through that area in that intake bay, it's going to go through the river rock. You do get a little biological filtration. It also adds a little bit of extra void space. So we'll have a little bit more water in the interstitial spaces of the gravel. Kind of adds up a little bit. But that intake bay is going to be key for this feature. Greg was very adamant when he was telling me that this has to run 365 days a year. Up here, the mountains, if we go down 5.5 to 6 feet deep, that pump is going to pick up the geothermal heating and cooling action of that deeper subsoil. That's going to allow us to recirculate the water, and we're not going to have any issues. We're also using, we do have 3-inch pipe, right? Yes. 3-inch pipe. So we'll have 3-inch pipe operating everything. So that means we have a high velocity and high volume of water that's going to be moving from point A to point B. The nice thing about working with flexible PVC, we don't have lots of joints and elbows, so we're keeping the velocity going consistently. That also is very, very important when you want to have something run 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
Opulent visions in every wing, from the doorman's welcome to the bellboy's ring, at the Waldorf, the mountain's luxury king. You sure can stay, you can stay in luxury, the grandest door. Look at you lounging, fun. You sure can stay, you can stay in luxury, the grandest door. It feels royal. Look at you lounging in the grand fine wines served.
Capture the water, and instead of letting it just run, we want to funnel it.
And a crotch.
Just a little bit in order to funnel that.
Salute the skies, our lush retreat, a mountain view, Serena's heartbeat. At the Waldorf, oh, you've reached the peak, where every moment's grand and life's antique. Chandeliers gleam in halls of grace, silent whispers of a golden age. Silver spoons and the finest thread, countless stars hang over your bed. Opulence in the air you breathe, at the Waldorf, where we weave dreams. Fires glow, oh, where hearts meet. In this castle, you'll find your keepsake. Marble floor, shiny floor, they echo tales of old. Jazz in corners, softly playing bold. In the lounge, where history speaks, velvet curtains, every secret keeps. Underneath the grandeur, mountain air. At the Waldorf, every glance, a starry affair. Glide through gates,
open gates,
where luxury waits with arms wide. Step inside your charmed domain. In the Waldorf, memories aren't shy. Ballroom dances, in evening's embrace. glistening snowfall adds to the space. Oh, tell them the color varies grace. Sing the lights on there's a phrase for the peace community door.
Breathing out the dawn, the mist it softly holds, each ripple tells a tale of quietude that's gold. In this sequestered nook where nature gently molds, with every breath the world seems to remold. Serene, serene, beneath the mountain shield, in this pond, the essence of quiet is revealed.